webRTC is a video technology for broadcaster. The interesting part is the audiovisual part, the video part, which is different mainly in terms of latency. So the main difference you can find between broadcasting through webRTC and broadcasting through a standard CDN is on latency. So the point is, can latency be important? And the answer is it depends. It depends on the type of application you are using. If you are just broadcasting whatever you want, and there is no interaction with the end user, then latency is not critical. But what happens if you want to provide interaction with the end user? For example, if you imagine that you can broadcast an interview with a celebrity, for example, you could have an interest on having somebody who is listening to participate and ask questions and yeah.
Q&A, right?
Yeah. So in that case, the broadcasting could have a return channel so that even though you can be broadcasting to 100,000 people, you can make bidirectional channel with a specific persons of that population, so that they can speak in real time with the person, or they can interact with the specific event you are broadcasting, and that opens new possibilities of applications and also of business models.
Is this possible now to do?
It is possible, but if the population consuming the broadcast flow is not very large. Currently, technology is under evolution, and webRTC standards are still under evolution, and the creation of very large distribution trees is still a research topic. Right now, standard media server is capable of providing very few webRTC legs, around 200, 300 maximum.
Yeah.
So if you want to go to the thousands or to the hundreds of thousands, you need to create a distribution tree. And this is not trivial, and as I told you, there are research challenges that need to be solved. But there are people working on that, and I think that it will take less than a year before we can see the first services providing that type of capability. There are many different types of people who can be interested in this type of services. People working in the area of entertainment are one of them. We have contacts with people working in learning platforms. We have contacts with people working in social media also. So that there is a potential audience or interested audience for this, which is large, and the point is that it is, or it may make possible new business models. So probably there are people who can imagine new applications that I cannot even imagine right now, and who could take advantage of that type of capability.